Which investor are you? Category number 4. You will like this. It's the smart DIY investor. They're nearly there. They're 80% of the way there. They're the person who's worked out, look, IFAs are scamming you with fees. Fund managers underperform benchmarks. These two you don't want to use. The smart DIY investor, of the 6 categories we've got here, and in this series of videos, I'm covering all of them with my experience over the last 20 years, from both being a hedge fund manager to 200 columns in the FT to 18 books that I've written. We're looking at this one in this video to say, okay, well, how do they get the rest of the way? Now, oftentimes what they've done is they've got a process. They've worked out they shouldn't be using the wrong people, but what they don't have is access to the data, and they don't have somebody to handhold them or look over things to say, yeah, that's correct, or actually tweak this, change this, do this. They haven't got somebody to help professionalize it. That's where we come in. We've got a video to watch, mistakes even smart investors make. We've got an article to read, how to filter stocks like institutional investors. And finally, we've got the portfolio stress test, because these people are quite advanced. All they need to make sure they do is stress test their portfolios based on historic moves. So we pull those tools together. We take all that resource that we have, make it freely available. Go to alpeshpatel.com. Send me emails through the website as well if you wish. Got any questions or want a free pension review, and that'll get you further along the way. Why do we do it? Well, if you go to that website, you'll see part of our campaign, and I've been in the hedge fund industry for about 20 years. Part of our campaign is to make sure that more people know how to invest wherever they are in the world: Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, New Zealand. We've got people from all over the place, US, got people from Middle East, Latin America, obviously Europe as a whole, who all are in the same boat. We're all in the same boat. We're all going to get older, and we're all going to need money in our retirement. And the harder we work, the more we realize that a little bit of growth is like free money. If you can get your portfolio to grow slightly more through whatever efficiencies you can make, then that is free money. Saving more isn't free money. It costs you pain. Working longer in your retirement isn't free money. You're working longer. Growth is the closest you'll ever get to free money in a pension and portfolio. So have a look at alpeshpatel.com, and I look forward to speaking to you through the website. You can schedule a call. You can get a free educational pension review on your pension and your savings, and why growth is not working and what to do about it. Okay, thank you very much.